Hello and good afternoon, Jerry over at Express Lube and Rental. My name is Josh Nelson at Midwest WI Marketing. We spoke earlier today about this custom video I wanted to make and send over your way. So we're going to go over a few things here. Normally we'd go over the website, but like you had mentioned, the website is kind of an umbrella website under a bigger name, and they kind of do control all of that stuff. So we're not going to go too in-depth on what we could do for the website. It sounds like it's kind of out of our power anyways. So we're going to go over the back-end kind of things, which is considered our SEO or search engine optimization, as well as the Google business profiles and what we can do to optimize and really get that thing going, as well as your guys' social media presence. So one thing we actually do here is we take your guys' URL and we bring it into the tool we like to use here. This is called Ahrefs. Ahrefs gives us a guideline on where you guys sit with all of your backlinks, all of the referring backlinks that hold, all of the referring domains that hold all of those backlinks, as well as the organic keywords. I see you guys have a lot of really good organic keywords in here already, so definitely we probably just want to start boosting up these backlinks and getting this UR and this DR rating a little more ratioed out. So I'd like to have a good golden ratio of even to even, so 31 to 31, or 31 to 29, something even a little closer than that will really help bring your guys' rank up and get you found more online. And one way we can compare that is actually if we search rental equipment near me or rental equipment Hudson. I know you guys are no longer at the Hudson location, which is fine. You guys are moving to Richmond. So when we search a keyword like rental equipment near me, the first thing that we see is actually these ads. Those are one way to get your guys' business name to the top of Google, but you guys are already doing it here locally in Richmond. The bigger thing would be to get your search volume out there, finding other people around the area that could find you as well. I'll go into that in a second, but I want to touch base on your Google business profile. So you guys have 201 reviews at a 4.4 star rating. That is phenomenal. Always getting more reviews is always going to help you out. So one thing I'm going to do show you though, since you're kind of beating the New Richmond area out right now, is we're going to search Hudson, Wisconsin. And the first thing we see is All Seasons Rental, Tri-State Bobcat, Halloween Hearst Rental Company. And so we're actually going to grab Home All Seasons Rental as well. We're going to go into their website. They got a good looking website, but we're going to see what they are doing for their SEO as well. So as you can see that there's not quite nearly the number there because you guys have put more into it already, but I would definitely continually add more of this backlinks and maybe even find some different keywords to put into your guys' website or to meta tag into some of your photos to really kind of get that boosted up. That way we can really get this website ranked really well all the way around, because we want to be popping up when people are searching rental equipment. We could even try like near Hudson, Wisconsin, right? All Season Rental pops up right there. All Seasons is right here. We want to make sure, right there, it's awesome. You're in the top page for that. But we want to make sure you're at the top of the pages for all of those keywords if at all possible. And how we do that is by adding all of those backlinks and stuff to certain keywords. Another thing we're going to touch base on here for you is the social media management or social media marketing that we like to offer here at Midwest Valley. We do control and manage all of your Facebook pages as well as your other social media pages you guys have out there. One thing we like to focus on is getting more reviews and more postings. Also making sure that you have all of your about information updated and up to par on that as well. We do social media management with the ads as well. We do Google ads, we do Facebook ads, but definitely want to be posting more on your guys' Facebook page. It doesn't look like you haven't posted since May 11th. Looks like maybe that it was March after that. So definitely posting some of your guys' promotions. I see you guys are selling some things here, not a big deal. Running some promotions or just keeping your guys' community involved and knowing that you're still here and that you're still present. It's going to be a huge part of it. Let's see, how many did you have following you guys? Yeah, you guys have 662 people following your page, 630 some odd, liking your page. So definitely keeping all of them involved and, knowing what you guys got coming up, what you guys are offering for promotions, things like that. So with that being said, I hope this was very useful and helpful to you guys in any way, shape, or form. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach back out to us. We'd be happy to answer those for you. Nevertheless, wanted to get this good information your way. Thanks, Jerry. Have a great day.